Maximizing your real estate team's potential with Facebook ads. So if you're someone that's looking to build a real estate team, or you already have a real estate team, but you want to maximize the actual returns and develop a high producing team, well, I can tell you Facebook ads is going to be the secret in order for you to unlock that success. I personally have used Facebook ads to grow my team and make me more profitable. So I'm going to be sharing exactly how this is going to be best suited for people who are looking to grow their real estate teams and maximize their returns as a team leader. I'm sure everyone has seen it in their own market where you have those top teams that just are absolutely crushing it, and all their agents that are part of that team seem to be doing quite a bit of deals. And for where I really unlocked this success for my personal team was running Facebook ads. I was able to develop specific ads for different type of agents and have them streamlined into our business where it was going to be tailored and suited best for their needs. So just giving a couple examples, we have people on our team that are heavily focused in investing, so that I'm able to run investor focused ads for those people. Airbnb properties in a resort ski community, and this guy was able to absolutely crush it with having those ads tailored to them. I was also able to get our team some listings with running downsizer ads. So some of our new agents who actually didn't have a lot of experience with listings, we're still able to give them opportunities using these downsizer ads where they can come in and win these people's business, because people who are downsizing haven't talked to an agent in 15, 20 years, but they are expecting someone to be really fast and do a ton of service and spend a lot of time. Where I found giving my new agents these ads, they did a tremendous job converting them because they gave them so much attention and care that older people require when they are downsizing their home. So that might be a little counterintuitive how a lot of people run their teams, where they try to leave the listings to all the really experienced agents and just give the new people buyers. Yes, we do something similar like that too, but having them actually get their foot in the door and help with these downsizer leads helped us convert them better, because they're able to provide such a great service to them, all that hands-on approach, and be so willing to do absolutely everything that these people need in order to make them a client. These downsizer people can be quite overbearing and expect the world, so new agents are great and tailored for that, who are just going to serve them to the best of their abilities. So that brings me to my next point, where you're actually going to be able to track how each agent's doing if you make tailored leads for them. And I know some people are saying, wow, this is going to be a ton of work in order to make, I got 10 different agents, some different strengths and weaknesses. But don't worry, if you're someone that wants to grow your team's business with Facebook ads, me and my team can help you set up all those custom ads for each one of your individual agents in their strong suits. So if that's someone that would like that set up for them and see our systems on how to convert them, go to the description and fill out that form, and if you're a right fit, we'll reach out. So going back to the point there, I'm able to see specifically how certain agents are doing. Yes, we used to have a massive pond where everyone would get distributed stuff and there's confusion and some people wouldn't really know what to do. We're now making this stuff specific and tailored to them. It really fills them up and really fires them up, because they're going to be doing it in the niche that they want. And you'll see specifically how they're doing. It's like, hey, these are made directly for you. This is how much we're spending on these ads for you to convert them. Are you having success? Are you having not? So then you don't have to put the whole general blanket on the team. You can really see what weak points you have in your team, because for our motto is we want to stay lean and mean. So anyone who's on our team has to be an actually converting agent and making sales. So this leads me to my next part as a team leader, is now that we have a massive database of people from previous years where previous agents have prospected them and they've fallen off the grid, we're able to use Facebook ads to retarget our entire database to keep bringing people back to the website in order for them to schedule showings to help them out. Our team recently just converted 2 people who had signed up over a year ago, and we never got in touch with them. But once we started running these retargeting ads, symbolizing that our website is the best and easiest to use to find homes for sale in their market, we have got a ton of traffic. I've been in real estate. Our website gets some of the most traffic out of any other website in my market. And it's just, we have a small budget doing it, where these teams that are outperforming us have multi-million-dollar ad budgets, and we're spending about $300 a month retargeting this audience and bringing them back and getting similar traffic to what they're doing. The power in Facebook ads as a team is absolutely insane. So you get your agents to go back, call, reconnect with these people, or you can use Facebook ads to bring them back to it. So it's more of a warmer call again, and you're able to serve these people better because they're back on the website, and you get to track who's actively going and using it. So you can do this for cents in order to bring these people back. How much does it cost in order for you, if we're on our time, if we're going per hour basis, to make all those calls in an hour? You know what I mean? You can literally use $10 to $20 to $5 a day in order to get everyone back on your website, and you don't have to spam them, you don't have to keep ignoring them. They get to use the website at their free will, like a lot of people enjoy doing now, because we're inundated with the amount of messages and the amount of things that people get. We find these retargeting ads are a game changer to boost our conversion. So we found we've been getting a 50% better conversion with running these retargeting ads. So put that in simple terms for a business person who's running a team, is if you spend say $300 a month on retargeting people, but all of a sudden it brings you in another $6,000 because you're converting another half a deal a month or whatever it may be, that is a massive return on your money retargeting people that already signed up on all your ads and are using your website. But if you're a team leader and you want to learn everything that we're doing and you want to set up these specific ads for each agent and start retargeting people effective to boost your conversion, well then go in the description there and I can help you set up your ads. But if you're a team leader and you want to just absolutely start being the top team in your market, and you want to partner with us and me and my team and see exactly how we're having success, grow our team, outperform the market as everything's going down, well then go in the description and schedule a call with me directly. We can see if your team's going to be a right fit to join mine, so we can absolutely crush the market together.